Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how long Spain has lunchtime. Spanish lunch, known as la comida, is not just a quick bite. It is the most important meal of the day. This substantial midday break is a deeply ingrained cultural tradition, often lasting much longer than 1 hour. It provides a vital pause in the day, allowing for relaxation and social connection, setting Spain apart from many other nations. Typically, lunch in Spain starts around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, sometimes extending to 3:30 p.m. The actual meal is an unhurried affair, often lasting for 1 to 2 hours, allowing for multiple courses and conversation. During this time, many smaller shops and businesses close their doors, creating a quiet period across towns and cities as people gather to eat. Historically, the siesta referred to a short nap taken after the midday meal, particularly common in warmer regions to escape the intense heat. While the long lunch break persists, the actual practice of taking a daily nap has largely diminished for working adults in modern Spain. Today, siestas are more often reserved for weekends, holidays, or for those in traditional sectors. This extended lunchtime significantly shapes the Spanish daily rhythm, emphasizing social interaction and family time. It also contributes to the famously late dinner times, which often begin after 9 o'clock in the evening. However, in larger cities and modern workplaces, there's a growing trend towards shorter, continuous workdays, reflecting a shift in balancing tradition with contemporary demands.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.